Here's how to transfer PayPal money to a bank account in Nepal. So first, simply go and open up your PayPal account. You can do this on the app or website, and from there you just want to go and click Payments. Now once you're in the Payments section, under More Options you want to click To a Bank Account. This allows you to make international bank account deposits. So whether it's your bank account or someone else's in Nepal, you can use this method. Now from here, click Search and then just type in Nepal. Then select Nepal right here, and then you will see this. Now from here, first I recommend choosing your currency. For me it's Euro, but you can pick any of these, and then choose how much you want to send. For example, 50 euros. Now you can see how many Nepalese rupees the person will receive into their bank account. So from here, just click Next. After doing that, right here you just want to go and select Bank Deposit and then click Next again. Now here just choose which bank in Nepal your recipient uses. For example, I'll go with Himalayan Bank. Then here enter the recipient's account number. After that, click Next, and then you will need to enter your recipient's details such as their name, phone number, and their address. Now if it's your bank account, just enter yours, and after entering that, you can then go and send the money from PayPal to that bank account in Nepal. So now you know how to transfer PayPal money to a bank account in Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.